Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display, and here go to the wallpaper tab. Just click on it, tap on allow, and you can pick some from live wallpapers or any other. You can also choose something from your own photos, and let me show you some of them. This is how it will look like. It's actually the current one. Here we've got the second one, the live wallpaper. It's the third one, and here we've got some more pictures. It's the static one. So click on the option that you like the most, and I think I will pick this one. Then click on set wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, or maybe both home and lock screen. So I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on your home screen, and also this picture is covering your lock screen. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.